Get ready with me as I tell you about our week. So we actually have a really busy day today because we are finishing up one of our bedroom installs. This is the second one in 2 weeks that we are doing. Well, actually less than that because we did the other one on Wednesday, I believe. But anyway, we're doing another one of those and we are so excited. These are one of our favorite things to do because it's such an easy transformation and it's a really easy process that we can do with the homeowners that just completely transform their life. I love it. So we are doing that today, but we have to go pick up rugs. And I don't know if you guys are used to Missouri weather, but it is actually crazy. Today, the high is 32. It snowed yesterday. There's currently snow on the ground. And last Saturday, we went to a baseball tournament outside and it was fine, which, what the heck. So that's crazy. And then this Friday is supposed to be 85 degrees. So we have got to be ready and on our A game. So we are taking my dad's truck today and we are going to pick up all of these rugs in Kansas City. We're so excited. And we're gonna be taking you guys along with us. Of course, you guys can see the before and afters of this project, but we are actually showing our design studio exactly how to layer all these processes, the exact links to the products, how we hang them, how we use them, how we layer the beds. All of the wonderful things is how we're actually going to be working with the members inside the design studio. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know below. I can tell you more about it. But we are so excited, and this is honestly a really busy week, but it's one of the most fun weeks for us because we love installs. Installs are like the best weeks. Also, another thing that we are doing this week is we are preparing a nursery. We picked out paint colors. We're using clary sage in this nursery that is getting painted today. And then we have a law office that we are working with that is getting painted natural linen, which you guys know is one of our favorite colors right now. We are loving that from Sherwin-Williams. Are going to be redoing both of these spaces, so we're so excited. The painters are coming for both of them today. Also, don't mind my crazy hair. I will be fixing that, but I just had to blow dry it because it was starting to dry, and I don't like when my hair naturally air dries because then it gets all frizzy. And not that you guys can tell that it's not frizzy right now, but it'll be fixed. It'll be like a Dolly Parton hair. The higher the hair, the closer to God. If you guys have never used Rare Beauty blush, you have to. It is like one of my favorites. One of my favorite products that Selena Gomez has ever came out with. I love her. I love the products. You need to go get some. Also, this may be a little crazy, but I like putting highlighter literally all over my face. I feel like it just makes my face look more hydrated and dewy because I have actually pretty dry skin. So I love putting highlighter everywhere. I forgot to mention that we also have a virtual consult on Thursday. This wonderful lady has been following us on Instagram and she was super excited because she is going to be redoing her kitchen, so she wants a little help doing that. So we are so excited for that install or that virtual consult as well. It'll be so exciting. I love seeing all the different spaces. One thing I love about my job is that all the spaces always change, which is super fun. This part's one of my least favorites. I hate doing my eyebrows. I've always had super thin eyebrows. If you guys can hear that noise in the background, that is my robot about to come in the door, I think. Anyway, I just use this crayon. It kind of helps fill them in because story time, you guys may be able to see some spots in my eyebrows. It's because when I was really young, I went to a nail salon. I know, don't even at me. I know this was a mistake, but I went to a nail salon and she waxed my eyebrows when I was getting my nails done, and she accidentally had the wax too hot, so then she, for some reason, waxed my eyebrows to my pupils. So for years, my eyebrows started right here. It was bad. And then burnt my cuticles, like my hair follicles, so like never came back. I have comb overs in my eyebrows because she burned them and my eyebrows never grew back the same. So now I'm stuck constantly filling in my eyebrows, which is fine. There could be worse problems. I'm thankful. So if you were blessed like me and you have hooded eyelids, like me, I like going in the darker color on my eyelids, and I like going above the crease because otherwise you literally can't see your makeup. So I go pretty high, like go as high as I can with a darker color, just like that. I'm gonna do it on both eyes. Kind of doing circular motion so it looks blended and it's not like a harsh line. But this helps you look more awake. I watched this girl on Instagram do her makeup and this is what she told me to do. So I go as high as I feel like I should. And then I go in with a slightly darker shade and go right here and just blend up. So it brings my eye forward. And you guys all know I'm a girly who likes some shimmer. So I am going to put a light color right here on my brow line, just right here, both sides. I love this palette, by the way. This is the Tarte palette. I talk about it all the time. This is my favorite. It has such pretty shades. I'm a warm person. We all know this. It is fabulous. Okay, another thing I have been loving is this Stila eyeshadow. It's a liquid eyeshadow, but it has like really pretty shimmer in it. I like just putting it right here on my lid, and then I take a brush and I blend it. I just kind of, I think that's so pretty. Now I also do a little bit of eyeliner, but there is no way I can do that in the phone, so I had to do it in the mirror real fast. Okay, I set everything. It is my e.l.f. primer here, and I kind of have to hurry because obviously we have to go to Kansas City and get all the things today for the rug. A little bit of mascara here. It's one of our favorites. My skin has been so dry. I know that that's probably because of the weather changing, so I'm just gonna do some mascara, and then usually we love the Maybelline lipsticks. Like, who love that color? I love it. They stay on really well. But today, because my lips are so dry, I'm going to be using my Revision Skincare lip gloss. It's actually super nice for keeping your lips hydrated. Also, quick little tip if you're like me and have the hooded eyelids and you always apply mascara on your lids, just take a spoolie and brush it just lightly when it's dry, and then it doesn't ruin your makeup look, but you also don't have mascara stick to your lid. Okay, now it's time for lip. Of course, it's my Revision Skincare. It has the best little applicator. This actually will stay on forever for it being a lip gloss, and it matches to your pH of your skin and gives you your unique shade of pink. So it's not going to be the same on everyone. It's supposed to match what your lip color is supposed to be and be like the perfect shade for your skin tone. Time to tease the hair. We all know the higher the hair, the closer to God. Okay, get that root. Make sure your hair stays up. It's gonna take a while. I just washed my hair today, so every time I wash my hair, it does take longer to make sure that it's styled correctly. That never stays shut. I have no idea how I'm going to pack my hairspray because I'm gonna need it for 18 days in Europe, and I need a bottle this big. And unfortunately, I'm taking a carry-on so I don't lose my luggage, so I have no idea what I'm gonna do. So if you guys have tips for that, let me know. Also, I like to pull my hair up and out of my face, especially on days that I'm working, because it just, one, stays out of your face, and two, it kind of helps hold my bangs back, which I have bangs and I like them, but it also, they're really useful for keeping my hair out of my face. It's kind of why I have them. Gotta make sure I don't have that bald spot in the back. We all know what I'm talking about. It's always like right. Also, one thing that I do with curly hair that I feel like isn't super common, I have this pick here. You can see it. It has like shorter and longer. I comb my hair right out of the shower with this one. And this one, I actually take and I kind of ends up my hair to make it look thicker, because my curls kind of clump together at the end and it makes my hair kind of, and I hate that. Just like picking at the end. And it helps my hair look a lot thicker. Medusa came to town. Let's like actually go, because it'll fall into like the sheet. Alrighty, stay tuned for this week's updates.